5. Ways to reduce stress without medication. Welcome to our journey toward living a healthier, calmer, and happier life. Stress is something we all experience, but it's how we handle it that truly matters. In today's video, we're diving into 5 simple yet powerful ways to reduce stress naturally without relying on medication. Whether you're dealing with daily challenges or occasional overwhelm, these strategies are here to inspire you. Let's explore how these small, practical shifts can transform your mindset and bring positivity back into your life. Let's start with one of the most effective yet underappreciated tools for reducing stress: mindful breathing. When stress hits, our breathing often becomes shallow and irregular, signaling to your body that something is wrong. But here's the good news. By taking intentional control of your breath, you can calm your mind and body in just a few moments. Here's a simple breathing technique for you to try, known as the 4-7-8 method. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this for just a few minutes whenever you feel overwhelmed. This practice promotes relaxation, lowers your heart rate, and signals the brain to deactivate stress responses. Mindful breathing isn't limited to crises. It can be a daily practice too. Take a moment to center yourself in the morning or before bed. You'll notice how this simple act grounds you and reduces anxiety over time. The beauty of mindful breathing is that it's always available. No equipment needed, no prep required. Just pause and breathe. Next, let's talk about the incredible benefits of moving your body and spending time in nature. Exercise doesn't just improve your physical fitness, it's one of the most powerful mood enhancers available. When you move, your body releases endorphins, known as the feel-good hormones, which naturally combat stress and leave you feeling energized and positive. Activities like walking, running, yoga, or even a quick dance session can do wonders for your mind. Now, let's take this one step further. Combine physical activity with the healing power of nature. Spending time outdoors, whether it's walking in a park, hiking a trail, or practicing yoga on the beach, allows you to reset mentally and embrace a sense of calm. Research shows that sunlight boosts serotonin levels, which are crucial for reducing stress and improving mood. Even a 10 to 15-minute outdoor stroll can make a profound difference. If your schedule feels packed, don't worry. Consistency is more important than intensity. Start small. Fit in short walks during your lunch break, stretch for 10 minutes in the morning, or bike to run errands. Little actions add up, bringing physical and mental clarity. It's often said, "You are what you eat." Nutrition plays a huge role in how your body and mind respond to stress. Fueling your body properly ensures it has the tools needed to manage tension effectively. Start by incorporating stress-reducing foods into your diet. Omega-3 rich fatty fish like salmon to calm inflammation associated with stress. Leafy greens, rich in magnesium, to relax muscles and promote a sense of calm. Antioxidant-packed dark chocolate for a healthy and delicious mood boost. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and sunflower seeds, which contain essential B vitamins. Just as important as eating well is staying hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and irritability, all of which amplify stress. Drinking enough water throughout the day supports clearer thinking and prevents burnouts. Do your best to limit stimulants like caffeine or overly processed foods, as they can spike anxiety over time. Instead, focus on savoring whole, nutrient-dense meals that energize and balance your mood. When you treat your body with care, you'll feel the difference not only physically, but also emotionally. Gratitude is a small but mighty practice that has the power to transform your perspective and reduce stress. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you intentionally shift your attention away from what's causing tension and toward what brings you joy. Let's start with a simple exercise. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. These don't have to be monumental. Small blessings like a beautiful sunrise, a supportive conversation, or the smell of coffee count just as much. Another way to practice gratitude is by expressing it. Call a friend or family member and thank them for their kindness. Reflecting on positive connections with others helps combat feelings of isolation and overwhelm. Studies show that gratitude leads to reduced anxiety, increased happiness, and a stronger sense of purpose. The more you make gratitude a habit, the more resilient you'll become when stress arises. Even in hard times, gratitude offers perspective. It reminds you that, despite the challenges, there's always something to appreciate, even if it's just the chance to start fresh tomorrow. Now, let's talk about a game-changing stress management skill: setting healthy boundaries. So often, stress stems from overcommitting to tasks or people. It's easy to say yes to every request, but this can quickly leave you feeling burned out, with little time or energy left for yourself. That's where boundaries come in. Start by identifying your personal limits. Ask yourself, what activities or commitments are draining me? Which ones bring joy? Once you know your priorities, practice saying no politely but firmly to unimportant demands. For example, I'd love to help, but I'm focused on other commitments right now. Remember, setting boundaries isn't selfish. It's necessary for balance and well-being. When you respect your own limits, you'll gain the mental clarity to give your best to the things that truly matter. Also, pay attention to emotional triggers. If a particular situation or relationship consistently causes stress, be honest with yourself about the changes that may need to happen. Healthy boundaries free up valuable energy, ensuring you have the space to thrive, not just survive. To recap, here are the 5 uplifting ways you can reduce stress naturally. Embrace mindful breathing to stay grounded and calm. Find joy through physical activity and reconnect with nature. Nourish your body with balanced nutrition and proper hydration. Shift your mindset with gratitude, welcoming positivity into your life. Protect your peace of mind by setting healthy, respectful boundaries. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. By incorporating these small but powerful practices into your daily routine, you can regain your sense of balance, build mental resilience, and welcome more positivity into your days. Now it's time to take that first step. Pick 1 or 2 of these techniques and try them today. Whether it's practicing deep breathing, going for a walk, or reflecting on gratitude, discover what resonates with you. You deserve to live a life that's full of energy, happiness, and calm. Let this video be a starting point on your journey toward natural stress relief. And don't forget to share these tips with someone who could use a little extra motivation. Together, we can create a healthier, more peaceful world, one breath, one step, and one moment of gratitude at a time. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.